Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna be.
Welcome back to Locked In with Ty, all things locks, lifestyle, and wellness. So I am trying to come up with like different styles because I don't know what to do with my hair lately. And I can't really do the same styles that I used to be able to do when they were shorter. Like, they're getting so long. It's time for some new styles. But this one I actually saw on Instagram. I don't remember her name and I'm so sorry. But I'm gonna try it and see if it's as cute as hers was, because my hair is longer. So it might, I don't know. We're just gonna see. So it's like oh my gosh, look how, I'm so distracted by the length. Do you see the length? If you've been following me on my journey, like, you guys, this is crazy. Okay, but anyways, so where's my scrunchie? I'm gonna say it. Oh, let me put my nose ring, my nose cuff. Isn't this nose cuff so, excuse my raggedy nails, but isn't this nose cuff so cute? Yes. Oh, there we go. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna tag the girl who made this because it is so cute. Ooh, anyways, so I'm gonna put all of my hair up. I'm gonna put all of it up, okay? Into it's like a pineapple, but it's like a pineapple, but with a wrap. It's a workout. Oh my gosh. All right. Now that that's all up, let's try this again. Let's try this again. I done broke a nail doing this. What? My nails are so fragile. Like, do you guys have any like natural nail remedies, or like, I don't know. I want to wear my natural nails, but they're so like, so that's why I usually have on press-ons or something like that, because my nails are just a mess. All right, so I'm gonna just wrap both of them around. Because I don't know what else to do. And then tuck it in the back, maybe tie it and tuck it. Adjust this because I want it to be like pineapple. You hear me? And then I'm gonna just tuck it in the back, like behind. Okay. It's actually cute. I just have to do my edges. Like, that's all. It's super cute. All right, watch me whip. Watch me nene. Watch me whip. Okay, now watch this. Watch this transformation, because yeah, get into it. So this is the only edge control that I use, guys. Like, Kiss did they thing. This sweet peach, it smells so good. And what was it, $8.99 at the hair store? But I'm pretty sure it is on Amazon, because I have it in my Amazon storefront. So I'm gonna link that also. I think it is maybe cheaper on Amazon, but when you need it, you gotta go to the hair store. You feel me? Anyway, so I got my edge control and my handy dandy broken edge brush, but it's gold and I love it, and I just haven't ordered a new one yet. So let's see. Now, I normally do like a little swoop-de-doop right here in the front, just to, like, you know what I'm saying? And then don't worry about those. I usually use this part and just tuck it in. You feel me? So, I mean, you can do your edges however you want to do it, but this is how I do mine most of the time. Whatever looks good on your head. My head's kind of big, so yeah. You feel me? I don't know why I keep saying that. And then, of course, you gotta swoop those. Come on. Like, it wouldn't be right. It wouldn't be right. Okay, so here we go. This side has like way more hair out for some reason, but it's okay. It's okay. All right, then I just kind of make them look more like realistic and not like planned, if that makes sense. All right, brush some of these down. That lock keep getting in the way. And there you have it. Okay, let me show you the back. Okay, the back actually might look crazy, so don't look at the back, but I'm gonna show you it. Just don't look at it. Hopefully it don't look too crazy. Like, I'm gonna keep some of these out because they just... Oh, it's so cute. I should have did my other little swoop-de-doop in the front, but it's okay. I'm gonna do this one. We gonna stick with that one. Oh, shoot. Okay, there we go. What do you guys think? Isn't it cute? I think this might be one of my new favorite styles. Like, oh, the wrap pineapple, the pineapple wrap.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.